there, and welcome back to Gracefully AUT. On this very video, we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. So here I have 120 grams of butter, room temperature. I have my brown sugar added and white sugar, but white sugar is optional. Brown sugar is very necessary for this recipe. My baking powder and a pinch of salt. And I will be using my hand mixer in mixing this. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. How has the holidays been? Thank you for coming back to watch my recipe, and if it's your first time coming across my video and you haven't yet subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and click on the first notification bell. This will enable you get notification each time I upload a new video. So I added 1 egg and I'm going to mix that thoroughly. This recipe was made during the holidays for family. You can please try out this recipe too and let me know how the results came about. Make sure you scoop the sides to make sure everything are properly mixed together. So I'm adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Instead of using baking powder, you can choose to use baking soda. It's preferable. As you can see, I added my all-purpose flour bit by bit, and then I'm going to mix that together, thoroughly mixed. This is a very simple and easy recipe. I want to give a mega shout out to all my members. Thank you all for supporting this channel to this very date. Say, may God replenish your source of income as you continue to support this channel. I appreciate you a lot, but God appreciates you more for supporting a young sister trying to grow like me. So I just go ahead and add my chocolate chip. If you have more chocolate chips, then you can decide to add more, but I didn't wanted it too much, so I just added a little bit. You can choose to add more as desired by you. Feel free to add as much quantity you want of the chocolate chips and mix that thoroughly together. So I will be cutting this with my hands and molding into a round shape. It's not necessary to be really, smooth in shape. So I just mold that in a round shape, and make sure your hands are thoroughly washed. You can choose to do this in 2 different oven pans if available, but my other oven pan was quite busy and I wanted this to be done as soon as possible because it was really late at night. So you want to give as much space you need in your pan, because these cookies is gonna melt and spread. You just watch to the end of this video and see the results of it, and then you understand what I'm trying to say. So after baked in the oven for 18 minutes, this is the result. This is what I was telling you. Don't make the mistake of putting it all in one pan. Spread it as much as possible before baking in the oven. But this is not a bad idea though, because it's from home, so it's for the kids, and so it's not really bad. So I'll just separate that because it's hot at this moment. It just came out from the oven, and I'm gonna leave it to finally cool down, and then we'll come back. So after cooling down, this is the end of our chip cookies, our chocolate chip cookies. Take a look at that. It's so simple and easy baking. So we have come to the end of the video. Until next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what you think on the comment section about this video. And if there be any recipe you want me to bring up, don't hesitate to comment. Bye.